Hi, friends and fellow stargazers. Here's a really quick way how you can change the background color of your chart. We're going to go to Options, Color Coding, click on Chart, and at the very bottom here, you'll see it says Chart Fill, Color Fill. Click Edit, and you can pick from here any color you want. I'm going to pick something bright so you can definitely see it change colors. I'm going to pick this sort of turquoise color. You'll also see here the hues will change in this section. You can also add this to custom colors, so you can save the color if you like it and want to go back between different colors. Now we're going to click OK, OK again, and you'll see the chart color has changed. So once again, that was Options, Color Coding, Chart, Edit, and I'm going to pick another color this time. Let's pick this orange. Let's say I want to add it to custom colors because I want to keep this orange in mind. Click OK, OK again, and now we have orange. I picked these bright colors again just to demo how this technique works. So hopefully that helps you to customize your chart background in whatever color you like. Thanks so much. See you next time.